Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Mihlali is added once again trending #1 on Twitter. This time she's being dragged because people felt like she has reached the most disgusting level of cloud chasing after she used the death of American rapper Takeoff to trend, you guys. What Mihlali did was that she DM'd rapper Quavo, who was friends and band member with the late rapper Takeoff, and asked him how he is coping with Takeoff's death, you guys, and later shared the screenshot on her Insta stories. In the DM that she shared on her Insta stories, she said to Quavo, "Chomi, uright wena, mna I'm so sad." Mihlali was dragged to filth, with many questioning her insensitive motives as to why she did what she did. People were saying that she would do anything to trend, it doesn't matter at whose expense. They say her calling herself Hot Topics proves that she is willing to do whatever it takes to trend, you guys. One Twitter wrote, "If we ask Mr. Kaula nicely, he will tell us that Mihlali was the one sending him videos and all the gossips about Mihlali." Mihlali low-key misses the attention she was getting during the Musa era. She's been moving so weirdly, and a tweet responded and said she would starve if she wasn't getting any attention. I'm starting to think that Mihlali was feeding Musa Kaula the gakas cause he wanted to trend. Takeoff, who was a member of the group The Migos, was shot dead at the tender age of 28, where he had reportedly been playing dice with his uncle and band member Quavo. And guys, it is truly sad seeing someone using his tragic death to trend. I feel like Mihlali should be ashamed, you guys. Now please do let me know what you think in the comment section below, and also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will see you on my next one.